goal of the School of Continuing Studies is to empower the working professional.
You don't have to go through an application process. You don't have to be admitted.
The teacher was phenomenal. I realized this is something that's definitely needed in my life.
The School of Continuing Studies offers business-concentrated programs.
We have the professional certificates for people looking to expand their skills.
Some of the certificates we offer are project management, human resources management,
Healthcare administration, supply chain management, and many others.
I was motivated to get my project management certificate. Really enjoyed the first class, which I took as an elective, but I continued.
We also offer creative electives like digital photography, personal branding.
General education courses to the public.
We also partner with businesses and organizations around Southern California.
My name is Dahlia and I work at UTC. When I found out they would pay for the entire program, it's kind of, why not take that opportunity?
We actually provide the training at their facility.
A lot of our classes are offered online.
They're actually making it really easy to learn and work at the same time.
We offer classes at our Redlands campus and at our regional campuses throughout Southern California.
I was kind of a little weary about my writing.
It had been years before gone to school, and I just didn't know if I could tackle it. If you had questions, unsure about anything, they were really supportive.
The instructors are all business professionals. They bring that work experience to the classroom.
And they made it so easy to contact them after hours.
We had a student who was laid off after 9 years. She was struggling to find employment. After completing our program, she started interviewing, and employers would invariably ask her, "What else do you have?" And she would show them her certificate. She got 3 job offers.
I'm looking to learn, I'm looking to advance.
The students are going to be able to network with one another.
They're here because they want to be here, and we really hope to empower them through these programs.
And I'm continuing with my MBA, so I'm grateful to be in a school that inspires you to continue.